Welcome to exclusive Autohaus in Blacktown. Check out this car we've got today. It's a 2013 SS Commodore in a manual, and it's only done 51,000 Ks. Have a look at the wheels at it. They're like brand new. It's got 20-inch staggered set. They look great in the car with Kumho tires. Just have a look at the paint. It's in great nick. It's got an exhaust system, but the best part, it's got a full Pro Charger kit from GM MOTORSPORT. It sounds terrific, but it goes mental. Just have a look down the side of it here. It's a beautiful car. It's great to drive. Inside, have a look at this. 2 keys, full logbook service history. It's been really well kept. Got floor mats. Check out the back here too. Some beautiful nick. Now have a listen to this. It's got a decent cam in it, but gee, this thing is still great to drive. Like I said, full logbooks. Just come around underneath the bonnet here. Looks really mean with the black stripes. Just have a look at that. Brings in heaps of air. Truly a blast to drive. This thing will kick you right back in the seat. Definitely won't be disappointed with the power. Have a listen to that cam. Once again, this is exclusive Autohaus. Got about 25 cars in stock at the moment. Beautiful examples like this. We do warranty, we do finance, we do the lot in Blacktown. Definitely give us a call if you're interested. Our number is 02-8662-0490. Definitely check this one out.